We know that whenever any object is dropped, it gets attracted towards the earth due to gravitational force. Okay. So the motion of an object under the influence of gravity is called as free fall. So we have learnt in chapter number 1, that is motion, 3 equations of motion. They are V equal to U plus AT, S equal to UT plus half AT square, and V square minus U square equal to 2AS. Let us use the formula S equal to UT plus half AT square and relate to the concept of free fall to calculate the height of the building. Okay, are you all ready? Yes. Now let us take the help of Rajnikant sir to calculate the height of the building.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
We're doing an experiment to find out the height of the school building, sir, using the equations of motion. Could you please help us in dropping the ball from the same position 10 times?
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Then now sir will drop the ball. Okay, you have to note down how much time it will take to reach to the ground by using the equation of motion. Will let us find out the height of the building. Okay, are you ready with your stopwatch?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Children, did you all record the time it took for the ball to fall freely from the top of the building for 10 trials?
Yes, ma'am.
Zainab, can you write the values on the board and calculate average time?
Yes, ma'am. Now, to calculate the average time, we add the total time intervals and we divide it by the number of times that we have thrown the ball, which is 17.87 divided by 10, which equals to 1.78 seconds. Hence, the average time is 1.78 seconds.
Moksha, can you now calculate height of the building using this time by applying equations of motion?
Yes, ma'am. By using the equation of motion, which is S is equal to UT plus half GT square, we can use to calculate the height of the building. Since the initial velocity is 0 and multiplied by 1.78 plus half into 10, which is taken as the approximate of 9.8 into 1.78 whole square. Now 0 multiplied by any number is 0, which is plus half into 10, which can be 2 ones are, 2 fives are, into 1.78 into 1.78 is equal to 5 into 1.78, 1.78. By calculating this value, we'll get 15.8 meters. So the approximate value of the height is 16 meters.
Did you all calculated height of the building?
Yes, ma'am.
Vaishnavi, can you tell me approximately how much you got height of the
Around
building?
16 meters.
16 meters? Yeah, very good.